Okay, so this is a guide for how to make a YouTube short in 1 minute or less. First thing you're going to do is download and install DaVinci Resolve. Next thing you're going to do is obviously open DaVinci Resolve. So this is the most important part. You're going to open a new project here, and the first thing you're going to do is go into the project settings. Once you're in the project settings, you need to make sure you change the resolution to 1080 by 1920. That is the resolution for YouTube Shorts. Then you're going to click deliver in the bottom right hand corner. When you're finished editing, you're going to notice that all of your settings will already be set because you set it in your project settings for the correct resolution. So all you have to do is change the quality to high, restrict the bit rate to about 80K, and then hit render. Obviously, I didn't mention it before, but if you want the video in 60 FPS, make sure you set it to 60 FPS and you are just selecting your directory that you want to render the video to. And you are done. Just upload the video as long as it's in the correct resolution. It will upload as a YouTube short. Make sure it's within the time